could create slides using Google Gemini. I'm going to teach you how to create slides using Google Gemini right now. So one of the first things you need to do is, of course, to add your prompt. And I've gone ahead to draft a prompt. I'm going to just copy it. I'm going to just paste it in here. And so my prompt simply reads: you're a professional presentation designer and content strategist. Create a detailed storyboard for a 12 slides presentation. I'm going to change this to 15 slides. So 15 slides presentation, 15 slide presentation based on the script provided below. So the requirements for each slide is that, stop. So I'll go again. The requirement for each slide is 15 slides, right? And create a clean visual layout and all of that. So these are all the requirements I have. And so I'm going to end with a call to or summary slide. So enter. I'm also going to go ahead and copy the script I need for this slide. So this is the script. I'm going to paste it in here and send. Now, what's going to happen is that this will generate the slides. It's more like what Cloud does with its artifacts. So it's going to go ahead and first of all give me an idea of what the slide will look like. The first thing I said was not to generate the slide, but to generate a storyboard for a 15 slide presentation. So now I'm going to go ahead and say generate the slide. Go ahead and generate. So it's going to create the slides for me now. The reason why you first of all have to ask it to generate a storyboard so that you get an idea of what it's doing. Don't just, once you see the storyboard, you can now make your edits, say, okay, I don't want slide 13 to show this, I want slide 14 to show this. So now after you look through the storyboard, you can now tell it to go ahead and generate the slides so that you know that what you're getting is what you actually have already marked out. So now it's creating the slides and it says ready in a few minutes. I'm telling you, this is how quickly you can make a slide. It's not always glamorous and all of that, but it's there, the work is done. So if you need to make quick slides and you don't want to go into the whole changing, the whole stress of using Canva and all of that. You can simply make slides with Gemini, tell it what it needs to do, what you need to see, and all of that, and it will bring out a result in like this. Now, the thing about this also is that you can always change the slide. I'm going to show you how to change up your slides, make it look, different and all of that, like how to edit the slides. In this prompt, you can also tell Gemini to simply make the slide in such a way that you can export to Canva, export to slides, make it adaptable so that you can always export to any platform you want. So you can tell it all of that in your prompt. Now this is the slide that has been created. This is philosophy of value, value-driven pricing, how hourly rates, all these things. It has designed this slide by itself. I really hope this feature stays free for as long as possible. So it has gone ahead to design all the things I want. As you can see, if I wanted to change this, I could go into Canva and make this change, right? I could go into Canva and change this. So I could also change it here. I could also tell it on slide 11, add graphics or add image and remove the, you know, you just tell it to edit your slides for you. So basically you could make all your edits here or you could choose to edit it by yourself. So when you're done, you can, if you're satisfied with the slides you have, you can download it. So you change the looks, you change whatever you want to insert in this slide, you can go ahead and insert it. And afterwards, you can export the slide, you can download, you can share, and all of that. So that's all for creating slides on Gemini. I'm going to go ahead in my next video and show you how to turn your slides into video in less than 5 minutes. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.